Hello guys, in today's video, HOTWAV is a rather familiar name in the market of the rugged devices, and the company is now offering a new tablet called the R9 Plus, an impressive and powerful tablet for extreme conditions, featuring astonishing battery with a capacity of 20,080 mAh. This remarkable battery empowers the tablet to maintain on even 120 days of standby time without requiring a recharge. It comes with a sturdy metal kickstand and a comfortable leather hand strap. It makes it easy to hold, carry, or set up on a surface, and if you are working at night, the built-in super capping light on the back helps you to see what you are doing without fumbling for the flashlight. Prepare yourself for an in-depth review of this HOTWAV R9 Plus, a tablet that refuses to compromise. There is no doubt that the Chinese company HOTWAV has a great experience in the manufacture of electric devices intended for heavy use, which is classified as rugged, whether they are smartphones or tablets, and now they have released its new beast R9 Plus tablet. So let's start with the boxing. This is our tablet. Let's it put aside for a moment and explore the rest of this rich package with various accessories inside. So right from the start we have additional tempered glass, even though the tablet already comes with the protection on the screen out of the factory. What else we have here? Here is USB Type-C charging cable, OTG cable for reverse charging other devices, SIM pin, a 20-watt fast charger, R9 Plus user manual, and now we see a lot of odd equipment that will help us to carry and handle the tablet more easily. We also have this screwdriver. There is a small bag and the screws and the hooks for this device through which the strap goes. So we also have this leather hand belt which we install with the scribbles and hooks. It used for easy handling of the tablet in one hand. In case you need it one hand free, the other holds the tablet securely under the holder. This is the most interesting and impressive thing here for me, which is this black metal holder stand, which in addition to helping us with the transfer, it also a tablet holder on the table or another surface with which you can find the ideal position for viewing the content on the tablet. A very convenient and useful addition, I must admit. Okay, that was contents of the sales package. Now it's time to move on to our tablet. The HOTWAV R9 Plus looks like a ruggedized tablet should look: brutal, massive and very reliable. The main color of this tablet is black, but it has a color decorative elements on the back are red. The design of the back cover has a geometrically stylized design. It looks with the three-dimensional and sometimes texture elements with the non-slip surface. Very nice. The brand logo is located in the middle of the back, and above in the middle is the large effective dual camera module. Below we can see a large and powerful LED capping light. We can also see two speaker grills up and down that give us a great powerful stereo hi-fi sound, great for listening to music or while playing video games. On the top of the tablet, protected by rubber cover, we find a SIM card slot in which we can have two nano SIM cards or the same time, or the option one SIM and one TF card up to 2 TB. On the right side we find these volume buttons, and below them is a red power button. There is also USB Type-C charging port on the side, protected by a rubber seal. From the front on the tablet has a 11-inch FHD Plus 2K screen with rather massive bezels, but this is understandable for a ruggedized device. Thanks to the large bezels, the tablet is more comfortable to hold in your hands without fear of touching the display with your fingers. Above the screen you can see the front camera and the light sensor near it. Nice bonus is that the display comes with a protection film. Sufficient 60 megapixel camera will help you stay in touch with your loved ones in HD resolution, which will perfectly handle audio, video calls and meetings. With its FHD Plus 2K display technology, the R9 Plus screen brings a symphony of colors, contrast and details. The resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels ensures that every pixel is a piece of art, creating a canvas that is sharp and precise as it has immersive. Whether you are gazing on photos, browsing documents, watching movies or embarking on your gaming adventures, the screen will not leave you disappointed, and all this with the Wireline L1 support. But it's not just about numbers, it's about experience. With the 400 nits brightness, the R9 Plus screen boasts dynamic range that creating a new dimension to every visual encounter. Navigating the tablet screen is like a gliding glass, smooth, fluid and responsive. The touchscreen technology tracks your every touch, swipe and gesture with precision, translating your intentions into action without a delay. And let's not forget the rugged nature of this tablet. This isn't just a delicate piece of glass, it's built to endure. The screen is forbuilt to withstand the challenges of the real world, whether it's accidental drops, rough handling or exposure to the elements. Okay, now let's go to the back of the tablet again. As I already said, as you can see, there is another avoidable detail, and that's this striking metal camera module that contains two large lenses and the LED flash. The R9 Plus with the rear camera system is equipped with the main 64 megapixel OmniVision lens, which delivers sharp and detailed images with the help of second auxiliary lens. I took some quick photos with our tablet, so let's take a look. This HOTWAV R9 Plus tablet boasts exceptional water, dust and drop resistance with its IP68 and IP69K ratings, along with meeting the military standard mil-STD 810H for shock resistance. Nasty drops, liquid ingress and dirt intrusion are no match for its robust build. The R9 Plus has been meticulously tested, ensuring drops from height of 1.2 meters and withstanding being fully submerged in water at a depth of 2 meters for up to 30 minutes, making the ideal companion for outdoor adventures and the professionals who require a device that can keep up with their active lifestyle. The tablet rocks a super strong LED camping light on the back with impressive intensity of brightness, offering up to 350 lumens. Its power is sustained by an Ultra 20,080 mAh battery for prolonged usage with around 510 lightning beats up to 6 watts of power. This LED light efficiently projects a beam over long distances. The tablet can really come in handy in such situations and save the day. In addition to serving as a camping light for outdoor adventures such as campsites, hiking and cycling, this versatile light can adapt to a wide range of scenarios. Its software includes multiple brightness scenes as clearly ideal for camping, with the app to control the specific brightness level required of activate emergency SOS mode to attract attention from potential many miles away in open space. Running the software side, the HOTWAV R9 Plus is based on the latest pure Android 14, so we enjoy giving it simple and easy to navigate interface. Simple and recognizable, the interface is a pure Android without any additional programs or bloatware, so all Google applications and fancy functions are installed here. It also features the reliable GPS system with support for 4 satellites. Everything you want you get on this tablet. The quality during calls, conversation, or by sending mobile data and connection to the Wi-Fi network really work without any problems, just as it should for a tablet of this rank. HOTWAV R9 Plus is powered by the Unisoc T7280 2.2 GHz Octa-core processor, which brings a truly satisfying combination of energy efficiency and stable performance. With impressive up to 24 GB of working memory, 8 GB of physical RAM and up to 16 GB of expandable virtual RAM, the device enables for smooth use over multiple applications at the same time. The 512 GB of internal memory provides plenty of space for your apps, games, photos and videos, while support for up to 2 TB TF card expansion allows for added flexibility. The gaming experience on this device is surprisingly good. Unisoc T606 combined with Android 14 is optimized to perform a comfortable and stable gameplay even for the demanding titles. Games run smoothly with a satisfactory performance and minimal device heating. The Android 14 system comes with the latest optimizations that improve efficiency and security, while additional functions such as focus mode, fast application launch and smart resource management make this device ideal for demanding users. It's equipped with the modern connectivity options including Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band Wi-Fi for fast and reliable internet, NFC for contactless payment, and a precise satellite system with support for GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou, making it an excellent choice for everyday needs and navigation. The rear star of the R9 Plus is certainly its impressive 20,080 mAh battery, which sets new standards for durability. This battery provides days of continuous use without the need for recharging, which is ideal for users who often travel or are on the go, so around the 120 days of standby. If you ever forgot your charger or found yourself in a dead battery situation, this device literally takes those worries away. Additionally, the battery supports 20-watt fast charging much faster than you expect for its size, but what's even more impressive, its support for 10-watt reversible charging, which allows this device to serve as a portable battery for older devices. The R9 Plus is a truly impressive device that stands out with its rugged design, massive battery and practical features like a sturdy metal stand and a powerful LED camping light. It's made for those who demand reliability, durability and performance in one package. If you need a tough all-around performer, the R9 Plus delivers without compromise. I remind you the official sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit them, hurry up and get your new HOTWAV R9 Plus today at the promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this unique tablet. That will be all for now. Be sure to subscribe and see you soon with the new video review. Bye.